You got Jake's Auto and Fab here. I got a customer with an H1 Hummer I'm working on tonight, which I was going to do a little walk around because it's growing on me. I was not a fan. I always used Hummer's dead kind of phrases with Hummer people. I've been driving it around for a couple days, diagnosing a cold start issue, and it's a tight ride. So I'm not 100%, but I believe it's a 98 or a 2003. I don't know, they all look the same to me. But they're cool. I was gonna do a little walk around, and this one's the Humvee, definitely military. It's pretty much got a tent for the cab. This guy is rocking some, I think they're 37 or 38 inch Terra mud grapplers. XD wheels, they look decent on this, but probably makes 190 horse. But one cool thing is the gear reduction axles. I'll try to get a shot of in the daytime. Can't really see them at night, but I mean, this thing is screaming, get out my way when you cruise around town in it. It's pretty dirty. I am on a dirt road, but hey, what's a Hummer for? They do handle pretty decent for how big and heavy it looks. It does handle very well. But I just wanted to do a quick walk around in the daytime when I'm working on it. We'll get under the hood, and I've already found a few issues with the cold start. I got a cam signal fault, so it's not advancing the timing, and the pump in the intake has a stuck advance, they call it, I believe. So we'll take a look at this here tomorrow, but definitely a cool ride. Just a couple of things. If it was mine, I'd definitely have to put a dome light, because unless you drive these all the time or know exactly where to go, you can see how the dash, I mean, here's a steering wheel, and I'm in a lit parking lot. The gauges barely glow, and it has been running, so it does. Fire right up because it's warm. It's just your overall stance. You got a lot of room. Feels like it'll go anywhere over anything. It does got good lights in it. better lighting. A little walk around of it. See if I can't talk him into doing something to hop it up a little bit more. See, my lights are on. It is cool. Kind of want one now. Here's just another look at some other vehicles that we were probably going to tinker with this summer. Once the shop's done, we'll have some cool rides coming in there to get looked at and overhauled.